fresh from the ring. Daniel Hughes, how are you?
Yeah, very good, thank you. Yeah, great experience.
Well, do you know what? That was pure theatre, watching you in the ring. It was amazing. You kept us all on our toes.
Oh, thank you.
But no, but you can see you're enjoying it as well.
Yeah.
But find it, obviously, it's such an important decision, and you respect it as well.
Yeah, and I think having shown myself, I know how much effort and work goes into preparing these animals and bringing them to the show. So yeah, you need to give it your utmost attention and make sure that that you're happy at the end of the day, and that's the most important thing. That the judge can walk away and be happy with the outcome.
And what about the classes?
Yeah, very good. I'm really privileged with some of the entries that came under me. Some really nice horses, and you always look for the one that you want to take home. But the problem is, I had 3 or 4 that I wanted to take home, in every class. So it was it was tricky, but really happy in the end with the animals that I put in the championship. So yeah, really good experience and thoroughly enjoyed it.
And when they come in, even with the foals, and the colts, when they first come in, they're young, but they've got such fire.
Yeah,
it's
lovely.
An amazing class.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And that's one thing that I look for, animals that are really enjoying the show. They're in the ring and they're around other horses and they're really excelling in their discipline. So yeah, something that I look out for are these, the animals that are enjoying it, and you can clearly see they're enjoying it. I think today we had some really, lots of animals there enjoying it. So it's a great, advert for our society. So yeah, very good.
And the champion.
Yeah.
A well-deserved champion.
Yeah.
What was it about?
Yeah, so you reminded me about a lot of things that we've bred and shown ourselves. He was enjoying, his head was in the air all the time, you could see him looking around, and yeah, he was just here to show off, and he was here to show his best side, and I just really liked the colt and reminded me a lot of the things that we have at home and the things that we try to breed. So very nice colt, I liked him.
Well, Daniel, relax.
Yeah, I know.
But thank you very much.
Great, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Amazing,
Well.
thank you. Joch.